Puzzle is each box has a statement. Exactly one of the statements is true. A car is inside one of the boxes. Pick the correct box and you win the car. Which box should you pick? Everyone can spot 3 boxes, but you are in the top 1% if you can figure out which one has the car in. Can you solve this? Take your time and give your answer in the comment section. Hope everyone has given their answer in the comment section. Now I will tell you the correct answer of this puzzle. If the car actually is in box 1, then the statements of box 1 and box 2 would be correct, which is a contradiction because only one statement can be true. Now, if the car actually is in box 3, then the statements of box 2 and 3 would be correct. Again, this is a contradiction. Now, if the car is in box 2, then the statement 3 is correct and statement written over box 1 and 2 is incorrect. So, you should pick box 2. So, the answer to this puzzle is car is in box 2. For more puzzles and riddles, please subscribe to Puzzle Adda. Thanks for watching.